This is the Umidigi A7 Pro game test on Call of Duty Mobile, which is a high-end game that can only be played on device above 2GB or 3GB RAM. The Umidigi A7 Pro is a mid-level Android smartphone with an exciting blend of premium design and a mid-level specs at affordable price. The device goes for around 74,000 naira, which is around $67. The smartphone is powered by a capable but outdated Mediatek Helio P23 octa-core processor with a max clock speed of 2 GHz. This works with ARM Mali-G71 MP2 graphics processor, and everything fits on 4GB RAM of DDR4x RAM. On this storefront, you get either Umidigi A7 Pro for 64GB or 128GB. The smartphone can handle tasks like light gaming, routine multitasking, internet browsing, social media usage. Everything that falls under the usage habit of a typical smartphone user should run on this smartphone without any issues. Now let's play Call of Duty to better understand if it can handle high-end games without lag. I wasn't able to play other games like PS on the device due to the duration of the video, but if we can enjoy Call of Duty without lag, it shows you should work well on other light games. Here is the graphic settings for Call of Duty, and the maximum settings we got was medium, and the high frame rate, which shows you should experience little or no lag. My advice would be to always play on the low graphic settings and set the frame rate to either low or medium. Playing at a high frame rate might cause the game to lag a lot. I also noticed the device gets hot real fast. Here is the gameplay. The device for gaming, then you should try playing the game for max of 1 to 2 hours. The device comes with a bunch of cool specs for that price. If you plan to play the game on the long run, you should try getting a better device with a better processor like the Umidigi Power 7S or A11 Pro Max. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also check out other videos on this channel.